So we're on our way back now from Spring Hill. We wanted to vlog when Braden actually got the puppy, but its former owner was so sentimental and she didn't want to drag out the party any longer than it had to be. So we kind of just,
understandable, because that would be quite hard.
Yeah, so we just kind of got it over with quick, and I got in the car, and now we're on our way home. And here's Braden holding.
She's a little nervous because it's a...
You can see her there. Oh, I can't get
Here. There she is.
And tell them what we decided to name her.
We decided to name her Fergie. Now, my dad and Isaiah and us thought of that. Now, I didn't know this, but apparently there was a princess or something, wasn't there? Named...
Duchess, yeah.
Oh, I forget her name now.
Princess Fergie.
Princess Fergie, and her nickname was Fergie. So, we decided to name this beautiful princess cute little puppy too. It's like called Fergie, so gonna go home, cuddle, play with it, probably take it for a walk or something, a long one.
Yeah, just let her. She wants to stop and sniff and play.
Yeah, you have her own lawnmower now. Okay. So take it. Yeah, it can be quite itchy after a while playing in the grass. She's so cute.
They're both worn out. She's worn Braden out. I think she wanted to be outside the whole time since we came home.
Man, she should play for Wolfpack. She's good at deacon.
So Isaiah, what do you think of the puppy?
I don't really care for her.
Obviously. She feels pretty much the same. There she is having a nap stretched across Isaiah.
You see her.
She's actually quite a calm dog. I think she just needed calming around her. A little stretch.
She said.
Yeah, it made it brighter actually. Turn that back on.
Doggy cuddles. Just getting ready to wash the dog. And this should be a fun experience, so we're going to put the camera on a tripod and vlog this experience for you. So guys, the power's out. It just went out probably not even 5 minutes ago. So we're sitting here in the dark, and poor little, what's her face there, Fergie, is a little scared, I think. How you doing here, Fergie? Oh yeah.
Don't worry, I'm here. Yeah.
That's probably what's scaring her.
Yeah, by some of the smells coming out of him. Whoa!
Over.
Tuesday morning, and little Fergie had a good. I can't even believe. Fergie had funny. That's a funny name for a dog. My boys are hilarious. Fergie had a good night's sleep. Woke Braden at 4:20 or something around there, whining. So he came and woke us up. So I took Fergie out for as soon as she got outside, she peed. So that's really good. That means there's a lot less work for us to do. That's my bacon and eggs and toast this morning. Actually, it tastes pretty good, but it doesn't taste like bacon and eggs. You have to admit, it's nowhere close. But it'd be kind of gross if I was drinking bacon and eggs, I think. Yesterday, a dear friend of mine bought me some Baconaise, just bacon flavored stuff you spread over toast or crackers or whatever. So even though I'm trying to make healthy choices, there are still people out there that are trying to kill me. So healthy choices today, and we'll get some vlogging of. I'm sure you will see the dog on a lot of photos, a lot of vlogging. She's just very photogenic, and we are kind of fond of her.
So the dog wants to go in the kitchen, but we don't want her to go in. And look at this, isn't it so cute? She's whining because she wants to go in. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, puppy.
Well, guys, it's Tuesday evening and we're getting ready to go to church, but we're gonna end it off here. Dad was working late and Jacob was over. But the dog's doing good. It just peed a little bit on the floor. But it's doing fairly good with having to go out and stuff. Seems to be behaving very well. I still don't think I've really heard it bark yet. It was growling a bit at me last night when I was wrestling with it, but that's about it. Yeah, other than that, it's doing good. Love the dog. We'll see how long that lasts. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys later, I guess. I think I said that. I don't know what came out. Anyway, till next time, turn that frown upside down. Cheers.